Hello everyone, you're watching PC Helper and welcome to another video in the Python 3.9 tutorial series. If by the end of this video you feel like you have learned something today, then please leave a like and also don't forget to subscribe to PC Helper for regular content. So in this video we'll be talking about dictionary. It is a really important topic in Python. So we have already talked about tuples, sets and lists, which all are data types and are used to store collection of data. And dictionary is also a data type which is used to store collection of data. But dictionary stores data in key value pairs. Now what is a key value pair? So first of all, let's take example of a list. In list we know that if we have a list like this with names PC, helper, Daniel, Levin and Levins, so we can access all of them using its index. As you can see, print list 1, and if in the square bracket I'll write for example 2, then the item at index number 2 will be printed. As you can see, Daniel is printed here. So 0, 1, 2. So we access Daniel using its index, that is 2. But in dictionary, let's take example of a phone directory where we don't search with the help of index, where we search with the help of the name of a person. So if we want to find phone number of a person, we search for its name, and when we find the name of the person, then we can get the phone number of that person. So if we want to access with the help of a name or any other character or any other number also, then we can use dictionary, and there are many cases in which dictionaries can be used. It might be a bit confusing now, but when I'll show you a program of dictionary, then it will be very clear. So let's make a dictionary first. So let me put it to presentation mode, appearance, presentation mode. And now I'll make a dictionary. So first of all, I'll just name my dictionary something. So you can name it anything. It is just a variable. So I'll name it dict1. And now I'll make a dictionary and then explain how it's working. So first of all, let me make a dictionary. So let one name be Daniel, its phone number be equal to something or some random number, and we have to use a colon here, then comma, and let me name another name Adam, and another value. Now another name maybe Zoe, and another number 7855 something like this. And now I'll print dict1, shift F10, and we have a dictionary here. So let's see how it's working. So first of all, have a look at the syntax. So first we have to name any variable, then equal to. For list we use square brackets, for tuples we use round brackets, and for sets and dictionaries we use these curly brackets. But the difference between a set and a dictionary is that in set there are only values, but in dictionary there are key value pairs. As you can see, this is the key before this colon, and this is the value. So if we search for dict, and in the square bracket if I write Daniel, then let's see what will be printed. As you can see, the value printed is 476876343, which is printed in front of Daniel. So let's take example of a phone directory. So if in a phone directory we search for a name, we get the phone number. It's working like that only. So let's again take a look at the syntax. So we use curly brackets first to start a dictionary, then we write the key, and to define the value of a key, we use this colon and we write the value, and then comma, and we keep adding more key value pairs. And also in the place of key we can enter a number also. So if we want to enter any number like 45, and if I run the program, and here instead of Daniel I enter the key 45, then the value in front of 45 will be printed. As you can see, this number has again been printed because we can write any character or any number in key value pairs. So let me again name it to Daniel first. And when I'll again run the program, it won't work because 45 is the key I'm searching for, but there is no key 45 in the dictionary. Now let's take a look at some other things. For example, a list is not ordered. Our dictionary is not ordered. A list is ordered, a dictionary is not ordered. So if it was a list, if we search for 0 here, so it must print the value of the 0th index. As you can see, 0th index is this one, but a dictionary is not ordered, so it will show us an error, that key error 0, because we are searching for key 0 but there is no key named 0, so it cannot search for it. The items in a dictionary but are changeable. So if we want to change value of any key, for example, let's change the value of dict1, and here we want to change value of Adam. Then we can simply write Adam in square bracket and let it be equal to 78 for example. And now if we'll print value of Adam, then we'll get 78, as you can see. So a dictionary is, we have seen already that it is unordered. Now we have seen that it is changeable, but a dictionary does not allow duplicate values. And that's because if there are two keys with same name and when we are trying to access a key, then Python won't be able to decide which value to print there. So dictionary does not allow duplicate values. And there's another way to get the value of any key. So if you'll write the name of your dictionary, here the name of a dictionary is dict.1, and then press dot, then you will get a list of predefined methods that are available for a dictionary. So we'll use the get method, and in get you have to just write the name of your key. For example, we want to get the value of Zoe, and now we'll just print it. Print, and again, and shift plus F10. As you can see, we got the value of Zoe. So there's another way of accessing value. And there are many other predefined methods in dictionary that you can use. Then you can try it one by one while you're practicing dictionary. So these were the basics of dictionary, but I have some extra time, so let's make another dictionary using list. So first let's make two lists. List 1 is equals to, let it be list 1. And let's enter some values here. So for example, PC, second value be helper, third value be equal to Adam again, Zurich. So now we have 4 values in our list 1. Now let's add some numbers in list 2. Let it be equal to, let first number be equal to 456, and 123, 123, 123, 123, 54, and fourth value be equal to 789, 789. So as you can see, we have two lists, and now we'll be converting it into a dictionary. Let's see how this works. But the thing is, we haven't learned about loops yet in this course, and whenever we want to convert two lists into a dictionary, we use loops. But we haven't yet learned about loops in this course, so what we'll be doing is, we'll be using a very interesting function called zip function. What zip does is, it is used to pair items of two lists or two tuples. So what it will do is, it will pair 0th item of list 1 to 0th item of list 2. It will pair first item of list 1 to first item of list 2, and then we'll make a dictionary out of it. So let's see how this works. So first we have to write the name of a list 1, that is list 1, and then comma list 2. So now if we'll run this program, we won't get any error. So what it has done is, it has paired both of these lists, but we have to convert it into a dictionary. So we'll just write dict up in front of this, and that's it. And now we have to print it also. So we'll print and another bracket here. And now when I'll run this program, you can see that we have a dictionary out of these two lists. Isn't it interesting? Because if we have a list of a lot of people and we have a list of a lot of numbers, then we can pair them and get phone. For example, we have phone numbers in a different list and name of people in different list. And if we want to make a phone directory, we can just combine them into a dictionary using this zip function. So it is very interesting. But in future videos, when we have learned about loops, we'll be using loops mostly to do such things. So I think these are the basics of dictionary. I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, write in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.